Congratulations on taking the first step towards a great career. Truck drivers are in high demand and making more money than ever before. This video will help explain how you'll choose the company you want to work for. Did you know that companies want to hire you before you even start? It's true. Here's a quick overview of the process. America's leading trucking companies visit our school every week, wanting to meet our students. You'll hear their presentations, and then we help you decide which company fits you best. Things to consider are pay, type of equipment you'll be driving, benefits, and home time. Our job placement department will help you complete a number of job applications. You'll get several job offers. In the trucking industry, these are called pre-hires. Once you receive these, our team will help you pick the company that's right for you. All that is left is to start and complete your CDL training. Once you have your license, you can go to work and start making money. Learn more by visiting DriveCo.org.